I want Texas to lead the nation in just about everything. But executing potentially innocent people ain't one of them.
A bipartisan group of Texas lawmakers are taking extraordinary steps to keep Robert Roberson alive. After a lengthy hearing Wednesday, the entire Texas House Committee on Criminal Jurisprudence voted to subpoena him for an appearance on Monday. It's a move they hope would delay Thursday's scheduled execution.
It doesn't matter if you believe Robert's innocent or Robert's guilty. What we should all be able to unify around the unassailable facts that the criminal justice system has failed in this matter, and he has never had a truly fair trial.
Roberson was convicted in 2003 of abusing and killing his 2-year-old daughter, who died in 2002. At the time, her cause of death appeared to be a result of shaken baby syndrome. But Roberson's legal team says they now believe she died as a result of both viral and bacterial pneumonia. In 2013, Texas was the first state in the country to pass the junk science writ, which is supposed to allow potentially wrongful convictions to be challenged if the science changes post-conviction. Now lawmakers want to hear from Roberson next week and want to delay the execution until the courts can investigate the matter further.
That our junk science law, which is supposed to grant new trials to people with facts like Robert, are being flaunted by the courts, I think it will be very appropriate for the legislature to take swift, bold action when we gavel in next January.
On Thursday afternoon, the United States Supreme Court denied an appeal, ruling that it needed to be handled by the state, but says the challenge seems credible. They also called for an executive reprieve from Governor Greg Abbott to give the courts more time to evaluate his claims of innocence.
Pump the brakes and let's slow this down. Let's get this man a new trial. Let's let a jury consider his case in light of the new evidence.
Late Thursday evening, those lawmakers appealed an order from the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals that's letting the execution move forward.
Our appeal is actually, it's a legislative appeal, it's a civil appeal, and so I think there's a very strong argument that the Court of Criminal Appeals does not even have jurisdiction to overturn the TRO that the previous judge gave because it's a civil matter, not a criminal matter.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.